Cosmonautics Day is an anniversary celebrated in Russia and some other former Soviet Union countries on 12 April. In Poland, an International Day of Aviation and Cosmonautics is celebrated on the same day. In 2011, at the 65th session of the United Nations General Assembly, 12 April was declared as the International Day of Human Spaceflight in dedication of the first crewed spaceflight made on 12 April 1961 by the 27-year-old Russian-Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. Gagarin circled the Earth for 1 hour and 48 minutes aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft. The commemorative day was established in the Soviet Union 1 year later, on 9 April 1962. In modern Russia, it is celebrated in accordance with Article 1.1 of the law on the days of military glory and the commemorative dates in Russia. Gagarin's flight was a triumph for the Soviet space program and opened a new era in the history of space exploration. Gagarin became a national hero of the Soviet Union and Eastern Bloc and a famous figure around the world. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.